the debate.
Thank you again, Mr. Speaker. May everyone. My name is Honorable Professor Paul Sunday Nnamchi. I represent the good and enterprising people of Enugu East and issues of federal constituency of Enugu State. I rise, Mr. Speaker, to lead debate on a bill for an act to establish the Gifted and Talented Education Center and for related matters in Transekulu, Enugu State. Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Speaker, my distinguished colleagues, I feel highly honored and privileged to lead the debate on the establishment of this bill at Transekulu. The essence of this bill stems from the pressing need for nurturing the talents and abilities of the gifted and talented children in the region.
Your Prof knows that he's violating our rules. With your leave, I can read.
Please go ahead. Page what?
Page 59, Order 9, Rule 1.
Order 9, Rule 1, page 59. If you have your order book, please open.
On rules of debate. A member shall not read his speech, save if he's moving a motion or presenting a bill. A member may, however, read short extracts from books or papers in support of his argument and may refresh his memory by reference to notes. Our dear colleague, Professor, is reading copiously like a newscaster. That is not in line with our rules. Since he's taking his argument, he could refer to it and then make his argument. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Nnamchi, were you reading verbatim?
Essence of this bill stems from the urgent need or the pressing need that the country is in dire need of such centers in various regions and in various states. Judging from the abundance of talent and gifted kids in the country who deserve a better future and a better directed education to give them the right background they needed. And every child deserves to have the right education, irrespective of his background, his creed, or his religion. Mr. Speaker, the objectives of this bill is to foster cultural integration, but also excellence in our education system, and also to train the leaders of tomorrow in our constituencies and in our various states. Nigeria needs these talented kids. Nigeria needs a directed education. Nigeria needs programs that will ensure that our tomorrow will be better than our today. Mr. Speaker, I can assure you that if this goes on and implemented, we are sure that we'll have people like Elon Musk coming from Nigeria as a result of these talented kids. These are people that their own education were directed properly. And they didn't actually go to the regular, the formal education, but they passed through certain centers, gifted centers.
Okay, round up.
Shall I go on? In conclusion, I would also say that establishing this center will afford the state and also my constituency the ability to attract professional individuals that will also benefit the state and also benefit enough employment, targeted employment that will also enrich the populace, not just in my state, but also in the region and Nigeria in general. I urge you, my colleagues, to support this bill for it to be read for the second time, for the obvious reason, and it is actually not just for its moral thing, but for equity and its
it's okay.
merits.
It's okay.
I move, my sister.
Thank you very much. I think the minority leader was right.